Hey beauties! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of beauty products to help you look and feel your absolute best. Today we're diving into the world of eyeshadow brushes, a crucial tool for any makeup enthusiast. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, finding the perfect brush can make all the difference in your eyeshadow application. So, get ready to discover the best of the best as we review the top 5 eyeshadow brushes currently on the market. At number 1 position, we have Cuttte eyeshadow brushes. Let's kick things off with the Cuttte eyeshadow brushes. Crafted with precision and quality in mind, these brushes are a dream to work with. Their soft, synthetic bristles effortlessly pick up and blend eyeshadow for a seamless application every time. Key features: each brush is designed with a sleek, ergonomic handle for comfortable use and precise control. Benefits and usage: achieve flawless eyeshadow looks with ease, whether you're going for a subtle, everyday vibe or a bold, dramatic statement. Usability: these brushes are versatile and suitable for both powder and cream eyeshadows, making them a must-have in any makeup kit. Durability: built to last, these brushes are resistant to shedding and maintain their shape even after multiple uses and washes. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Morgle's eyeshadow brushes. Next up, we have the Morgle's eyeshadow brushes. Designed for professional makeup artists and enthusiasts alike, these brushes deliver exceptional results with every stroke. Key features: made with high-quality materials, these brushes feature ultra-soft bristles that glide effortlessly across the eyelid. Benefits and usage: achieve precise color placement and seamless blending for stunning eyeshadow looks. Usability: these brushes are perfect for creating intricate designs and achieving intricate details thanks to their fine-tipped bristles. Durability: built to withstand daily use, these brushes are durable and reliable, ensuring long-lasting performance without fraying or shedding. The number 3 position is held by Lamora eye makeup brushes. Now let's talk about the Lamora eye makeup brushes. Loved by makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts worldwide, these brushes are renowned for their superior quality and performance. Key features: each brush is expertly crafted with premium synthetic bristles that mimic the texture of natural hair for flawless application. Benefits and usage: achieve professional-looking eyeshadow looks with ease, whether you're blending, shading, or defining your eyes. Usability: these brushes are suitable for all skill levels, from beginners to experts, and can be used with both powder and cream eyeshadows. Durability: with proper care, these brushes will last you a lifetime, maintaining their shape and performance for years to come. Next, at number 4, we have JASSINS 50-pack eyeshadow applicators. Moving on to the JASSINS 50-pack eyeshadow applicators. If you're looking for convenience and versatility, these disposable applicators are a game changer. Key features: this pack includes 50 disposable eyeshadow applicators, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups and hygienic application. Benefits and usage: easily apply and blend eyeshadow without the hassle of cleaning brushes, making them ideal for travel or busy lifestyles. Usability: these applicators are beginner-friendly and suitable for all types of eyeshadows, from powders to creams. Durability: while disposable, each applicator is sturdy enough to withstand multiple uses, ensuring reliable performance whenever you need it. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Akstore eyeshadow brushes. Last but certainly not least, we have the Akstore eyeshadow brushes. Versatile, affordable, and high-performing, these brushes are a must-have for any makeup enthusiast. Key features: crafted with premium synthetic bristles, these brushes offer impeccable precision and control for flawless eyeshadow application. Benefits and usage: achieve a variety of eyeshadow looks, from subtle to bold, with ease and confidence. Usability: these brushes are suitable for all eye shapes and sizes, making them incredibly versatile and user-friendly. Durability: with proper care, these brushes will stand the test of time, providing consistent performance without shedding or losing shape. And there you have it, beauties! Our top 5 eyeshadow brushes that are sure to take your makeup game to the next level. Whether you're a makeup novice or a seasoned pro, investing in quality brushes is essential for achieving stunning eyeshadow looks. So, which brush caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty tips, tricks, and reviews. Until next time, stay fabulous!